Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Stacy Doyle, physician, partner and chief science officer at Fox Foods and co-creator of HEAL. We are now well into the holiday season, so you know what that means. Bad diets and losing weight as fast as you can. But although weight loss brings with it some benefits, many people, especially during the holidays, end up sacrificing their health for a smaller number on the scale. That's because during their drive to lose weight, they have forgotten about nutrition. No matter how much weight you need to lose, it's still vitally important to continue getting all of the nutrients to keep your body healthy and to ensure optimal immune function. But when you cut calories, what happens? Most people end up cutting the nutrients. That's why HEAL is such an amazing weight management tool. If mixed with water, each meal is only 280 calories. But in those 280 calories, you have 25 grams of high-quality plant-based protein, dozens of phytonutrients, 3 to 4 servings of vegetables and fruits, fiber, probiotics, and no synthetic vitamins. That's right, all of your nutrition comes from whole plant foods. And it tastes great too. Substituting 1 or 2 meals a day with HEAL supplies you with anti-inflammatory phytonutrients, antioxidants, more fruit and veggies than most people get in a day. That's a world of difference from traditional meal replacement shakes that give you a bunch of processed, refined sugar, concentrated animal protein, and fake nutrients from synthetic vitamins, all of which are inflammatory, lead to an unhealthy gut, and poor immune function. So, when you're thinking about weight management or dropping a few pounds, don't forget to think about your nutrition. I'm Dr. Stacy. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, good health is a lot closer than you think.